Welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys, and today I'm going to be doing a review outside flybys of the AAM competition 3-inch CATBACK for your Q50, Q60. Also, this will be a 3-inch catted full downpipe, so full 3-inch from the turbo back. But before I get into the video, once again I want to say shout out to AAM competition for allowing me to bring out their product to the market. Also, on top of that, guys, I like to be straight up. I don't want to give you guys a biased review. Remember, I'm not an exhaust guy, but I am working in partnership with AAM to bring this exhaust to market, so you guys can just pick your best choosing. Plus, you guys know I'm an older guy, so I want to keep my exhaust quiet. Anyways, hit the intro. Welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. So welcome back. So you can check the links above. I did already an in-cabin drive with it and startup and cold start and everything like that, but this video has been highly requested because a lot of you guys want to know how the car sounds like from the outside. It isn't so much what it cares about the inside. You guys care about how much it sounds like from the outside. I'm a little bit different because I want the car to be quiet to me when I'm inside. No drone or anything like that, and there's no drone. But anyways, we're gonna use two different cameras today. We're going to use this Canon camera, and I'm going to do my other camera that I'm going to use. So I'm going to try to give you guys some flybys and some downshifts from a far distance away, and hopefully that'll help. Hopefully it's a little windy, so hopefully it doesn't pick up too much wind noise, so you guys can hear the noise with the valve open and the valve closed. Alright guys, so that concludes this sound bit flyby of the AAM 3-inch full catted downpipes with 3-inch exhaust with valve control. So remember guys, you can adjust the sound and how deep it is based on that valve. Now, shout out again to AAM Competition. Shout out to all my subscribers for the channel. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys requested this video and I had to make the time to get it done. It's very hard to do this type of stuff with just one person, but I got it done. Hopefully the video did justice, but I'm gonna be honest with you. I tell you guys all the time, anyone who watches my channel, I'm not an exhaust guy. I'm into performance. I don't really want my cars to be loud. But out of all the exhausts I've heard, and I've heard plenty for the platform, I just like the ability that you can be able to adjust the noise and pitch. When I want to be a piece of shit, like I told you guys, I want to open the valve. But when I don't want to be super loud and obnoxious, it's nice that I could close the valve and I could turn down those sound levels so much. Hopefully guys, you guys just appreciate this video. I hope you guys always hit the like button, subscribe button with the bell notification, watch the videos from the start to finish. Also, I already have plenty of links to the AAM Competition exhaust on their social medias and their gallery at their AAM Competition website. So once again, thank you everybody who always bang with Boosted Motion. Appreciate you guys so much, and I'm not gonna lie, I really like how this car looks. I got a new front lip, so I don't know if I'll put that video up by this time, but otherwise than that guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Add me at Boosted Motion on IG, Facebook, and boostedmotion@gmail.com. You guys have a good day. Thank you everybody for watching. Do appreciate you guys, love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boosted Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.